This video is brought to you by Lime, the world's largest shared electric vehicle company.
Let's go! Andreas wanted to steal this Lime scooter, and I was like, okay, I'm down. So he stole it, and we brought it.
Borrowed it. We're gonna give it back.
And I thought, why not post it on here, and he wants to add some stickers later. So that's what's about to go down.
We're gonna make it our own.
It's gonna be our scooter. Yeah, Lime.
Yeah, you can call us scooter vandals. Idea is to take this scooter, completely repaint it, throw it out into the wild and see what happens. So if you see this thing out in the wild, be sure to ride it, because it's the sickest fucking scooter out there. And yeah, post a picture, hashtag scooter vandals. I want to see where this thing ends up. We've been working on this for a while now, and I think it's time to set it free.
At Lime, we connect people and place. For healthier, cleaner, and more equitable cities that prioritize people. That's why we're proud to introduce the newest member of the Lime family, so that you have an electric vehicle for any kind of trip.
We are the Scooter Vandals, and if you see our scooter, let me know. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.